Yo, what's up? Your boy KSI. I'm out here with Toby and we're about to do the best video of all mankind. Oh, this is gonna be good. Fam, imagine you're allergic to cardboard.
I need a drink.
Dickhead.
Is there anything that you haven't done that you really want to do?
Wanked myself off.
I haven't eaten today.
I'm starving.
You should say, if you want to know where we got all this KSI.
Why don't you shut the fuck up? And then you just
You're a bad friend, man.
Bruh, why?
I don't know. I think we're supposed to talk about stuff, but...
I talk. Now you talk. Who are you? Why?
Chicken looks so good.
Life is good, man. You do everything for the money.
Oh, yeah, shit. Yeah, you know what? Wait, so when does this video end?
Bye.